Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Random Stuffs. Today I have bought a video of unboxing. So here we have a TIMEX watch. So a leather stab TIMEX watch. So enough of talking, let's get into the package. So here we have a cutter. Oh wow. Throw this. Coming out of the box, so it's a pretty simple box, a cylindrical shape, and it has TIMEX written on it in a white color, so nothing special on the box. Coming to the bottom, here we have sticker. So here we have a sticker of manufacturer imported by India Limited, and here you can see the MRP 3,995, which is very close to 4,000. And so here you can see that MRP 3,995, which is very close to 4,000. So let's open the box. Wow, we'll see the watch later. First, this manual or guide which we have over here, TIMEX, and we have here how to set the time, date, and all everything. Who's gonna read this? Coming out of the watch, and we have a classic brown leather stabbed watch. As you can see, nice shine. Let's take it out. Here we have the price tag, as you can see. I think now you can see it. Wait, let me focus the camera. Now you can see. Okay. Now removing the watch. Here you can see, guys, beautiful watch. Here you can see, guys, a beautiful watch, brown leather, and it's so soft and it's so comfy. I can feel it just by putting it in my wrist. So then TIMEX stainless steel back, water resistant, TIMEX USA, as you can see. So it's a pretty good watch. And here we have the time. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you like it and enjoyed it. So if you want some more of unboxing or any kind of video, let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video, and please subscribe to my channel. And that's it for today's guy. Goodbye.